Okay, first thing you need to do is take your jelly plate out of the package. So take it out, make sure you take off only one sheet of plastic. Save the other sheet. And then put this back in to the container and save it. You don't want to lose that plastic cover. Then put your jelly plate on one side of your placemat so that you can keep the other side clean for your paper. Then you're going to choose a color to start and put a small dot of ink in the middle of your plate. So you don't need very much. If you look here closely and you see that this is not much at all, so you're going to start with a small amount. You can always add more. And it won't seem like a lot of ink at first because it might not spread out, but as you move your brayer around and roll the ink around, it will spread to all the edges of your plate. So if you get too much ink, you'll find you just end up with a mess. So less is more. Okay, go ahead and cover the whole thing, and then we're going to start with a bubble wrap texture. This one I just used, so it might have a little bit of yellow on it, which I think will look cool. So you're going to place it on top and press it down, press, press, press all over, and peel it up. And you can see the texture of the bubble wrap. Take your paper, place it over top. I'm going to slide it over. Actually, it's a good thing to slide it over to the clean side. And then place it on top and press it. Peel it up. And you get a really cool bubble print texture. Always remember to do a ghost print, which is a second print with the ink left on your plate. This is my ghost print. Peel it up, and you kind of get a cool design there too. Next, I'm going to pick another color. And if you're going from light to dark color, it should be fine, but if you're going from a dark color to a light color, you're going to want to wash this off. All right, so roll your ink around until it covers the whole plate. And I kind of got a cool mix there of colors. Set that down. And next I'm going to use texture plates. So we have some cool texture plates you can place on top, maybe starting in one corner, and press it down, peel it up, put it on the other side. It won't cover the whole thing, so best not to put it right in the middle. Peel it up, you can move it over here, peel it up, and then this little corner. And you could use more than one if you want. It turns out pretty cool. Okay, set that to side. That will have to be washed off at the sink. Then you're going to take your first print. I like to put my fingertips on the edge so I can feel where the paper is going to go. Line it up and press it down. Being sure to press all the corners and edges. Wow, that looks pretty cool. All right, I'm going to do one more layer, and I'm going to go to a lighter color, yellow, which means I need to wash this off. Otherwise, my light color is just going to turn dark. So let me pause it and wash this off and come back.